Guys, welcome to my channel SwathiPharmaJnan. Today's topic is mechanism of action of quinolones. So quinolones are the first class of the drugs under urinary tract anti-infective agents. Under this quinolones category, we have seen the structures and SR of quinolones also we have discussed in the previous videos. Under the quinolones, there are few examples like ciprofloxacin, sparfloxacin, norfloxacin, lomifloxacin, ofloxacin, nalidixic acid, siloxacin, inoxacin, all the structures we have discussed in the previous video. Now we'll see the mechanism of action of quinolones. When the quinolone drugs entered into the human body or the patient body who is suffering with urinary tract infections, how the quinolones will show its mechanism for better therapeutic activity. Quinolones produces their antibacterial activity by inhibiting the synthesis of DNA due to the inhibition of bacterial DNA gyrase. DNA gyrase are also called as topoisomerase 2 is an enzyme which is responsible for introducing negative supercoils into the circular duplex DNA. These quinolones will inhibit the DNA gyrase enzyme, that is bacterial DNA gyrase enzyme, so that the synthesis of DNA will also be inhibited. The negative supercoil of the DNA cannot occur. If the negative supercoil of the DNA is not formed, then the further replication, transcription and translation processes cannot occur. Negative supercoiling relieves the torsional stress of unwinding helical DNA and thereby allows transcription and replication to occur. If negative supercoiling is occurring, introduction of negative supercoiling is occurring, then it will relieve the torsional stress of the unwinding helical DNA. If negative supercoiling is not formed because of the inhibition of DNA gyrase, then torsional stress will increase to the unwinding helical DNA and thereby transcription and translation process and further replication process also can be inhibited. So that is how quinolones will inhibit the synthesis of DNA by inhibiting DNA gyrase enzyme. Next one is mechanism of action of nitrofurantoin. This is a nitrofurantoin drug which is a urinary antiseptic drug. This nitrofurantoin, when it will enter into the human body or patient body, the bacterial nitroreductase will convert the nitro group into NO2 group into NO. Then this nitroxide containing nitrofurantoin intermediate, it will do the DNA damage or RNA damage or protein damage, so that bactericidal activity can occur in the patient body. Another mechanism is this nitrofurantoin, by using the human nitroreductase, it will convert into intermediate compound which contains nitroxide derivative, and this one will do the DNA damage or RNA damage, protein damage, and it will also cause carcinogenicity, mutagenicity or teratogenicity in the patient. So that's why less use of the nitrofurantoin is shows bactericidal property. More use or human nitroreductase will show the carcinogenicity or mutagenicity or teratogenicity. Thank you.